My name is Connor Johnson. I am a fourth-year mechanical engineering student here at Central. The Idea Den is part of the Isabella Bank Institute of Entrepreneurship. It is a kind of a makerspace for people to come and get their prototypes made, whether it's help with an actual product or potential manufacturing steps. We're kind of here for anything that you can need help with. We have 3D printers that allow us to do rapid prototyping and kind of just make anything that you might want. 3D printing is the process of building up a part from a substrate, and it's essentially building up a part layer by layer according to a CAD model, whether it is using plastic or metal, which are the two most common types of 3D printing, but it's a lot of building up rather than conventional methods like machining, where you're taking from a big block of material and machining it into a part. You're able to build up, and that also lets you get more intricate geometries. I found opportunities for engineering outside of the engineering school, which was the College of Business Administration, which we wouldn't expect it, but it's pretty cool, and I'd say it's probably one of the best places to do engineering on campus because you have free reign to kind of see a product go from nothing to a reality, which there's nothing like that in any other department in the school.